G'day guys, I'm about to launch my kayak into the Campaspe River and hopefully find a few big redfin that I can take home for dinner. Oh, I'm just floating in one of the many weed beds here. Just going to cast this little JD Eddy lip ripper amongst those. Hopefully pull out a nice redfin, or any redfin, or any fish. Oh, that was a touch. Oh, yes, got him. That was fast. That was about my third cast. There we go. Carp just jumped over there while I'm pulling in this redfin. No real size to him, but it's a very, very good start. Oh, there we go. I've got my line out now. I'll hold him this way so you can see the lure I'm using as well. I didn't even show it at the start. It's an upside down black and gold JD Eddy lip ripper. Look at the magnificent colours on this fella. Not big enough for me to take home though. Oh, come on, calm down. There you go. I had to use the old pliers to get him unhooked. He was quite well pinned. Lovely little redfin, bright red, dark stripes, nice green colour. If I catch any over 30 centimetres that look like that today, they're coming home with me. See you, buddy. I was over there and I've drifted about 20 metres since I caught that fish, so I'm going to have to cast that way. Righto, we would have come from just over there somewhere. I've paddled back to somewhat where I was, because the wind's just going to keep blowing me that way. Well, I've cast around here for about another 10 minutes. No sign of any more redfin. I want to go down that way, so I'm going to go out a little bit deeper into the river and troll this lure behind me and see if I can catch something on the way. That's a fish. I thought that was a snag. I thought I was hooked on snags, but I'm actually onto, I think, a fish. It stopped fighting now. What's going on here? No, yeah, it's a decent reddy. You fought weird, mate. Oh, look, just in case I'm going to use the net. Don't want to lose him. There we go. You can sit there for a sec, buddy. Or try to. Wow. I thought I was rubbing the bottom, but he just bit really weird. Alright, well, the net was pretty much useless. Let's put that away. Oh, I think this is the first one that's coming home with me. Alright, chill out. Whoa, whoa, I just snapped the bib. I just snapped the bib off my JD Eddy lip ripper. I guess I'm changing lures after this. Let me get these hooks out of the way so I can show him to you. Oh, there's that lure, it's out. I'll put it very carefully in that hole. Don't want to forget that it's there. Hopefully I don't. But let's have a look at this redfin. Yeah, he's around that 30 centimetre mark and he's the first redfin I'm taking home. I've got a cooler bag with some ice bricks in it there. You're going home for dinner, mate. Thanks for coming out to play. I guess I'll head back that way and try and troll some more. I don't think it's as deep a diver as the JD Eddy lip ripper I just had on, but I'll tie on the Bullet Lures 5.0 minnow and give that a run behind the kayak. Oh, that's fish. Very nice. Bullet Lures pays off. He feels decent too. Could be just because I'm trolling. I'm not used to trolling because you've got the speed of the kayak going forward, pulling on the fish as well. He's tiny. Well, not tiny. Well, he's not as small as I thought either. Come here. Let's have a look. Bullet Lures. Yes. That was pretty much roughly where I caught the last one too. Oh, look, he's much bigger than I thought, but I don't know if he's keeper realm. But then again, I don't know how many I'm going to catch today, so yeah, I'll keep him. Beautiful redfin. You're number 2 in the bag, mate. Thanks for coming to play. I'm having a ripper time just trolling back and forth here. Is that a fish? I think it might be. No, must have just been run along the bottom or a weed bed. Bugger. It's alright, I'm going to pull it in for now and go over there. Try a new spot. What we can see ahead of me is my usual kayak carp fishing grounds. I want to flick one of these little minnows through, see if I can pick up some decent redfin in here. I've seen them going nuts while I'm carp fishing, but I've never been here to try for them. Oh, there is redfin over there. I can see him busting up. See if I can get my next cast a bit closer to him. Oh, yes, got him. I thought I came through some weeds because I saw the weeds poking through the surface, so I thought my lure just hit those, but it turns out it was both. It was a fish and the weeds. Smallest one of the day. A bit of line there would be lovely, thanks mate. Let's get the weed off first. Oh, well, let's get the hook off first, deal with that in a minute. Let's have a look at ya. Yeah, you're not going in the keeper bag, mate. Fun to catch though. See ya. There you go, he flipped out of my hand before I could chuck him back. Either way, he was a free fish. Right, there's a school here that are probably all small, but I don't care. I'm going to try and catch a few of them. Ooh, I spooked all the minnows as I was coming in, and then I felt a touch, so something was chasing that, and it was that spooked the minnows, not my lure. Oh, there's a touch again. Oh, yep, got him. Right here in front of the kayak, right underneath me. He's definitely bigger than the last one, but he's still not a monster. Oh, goodness me, yeah, no, not a keeper. Bigger than the last one by a mile. But he's a mile smaller than I want to keep as well. Still another pretty little fish. Oh, that was a hit. I thought I was coming through the weed bed. There's so many weeds, it's hard to tell what's what sometimes. That was a fish though. Bugger. Well, there's the tiniest bloody little fish just followed that in. He was only about the same size as the lure. I doubt it'll come out on camera, but that looked really cool. Well, look at that guys, catch of the day here. What even is it? I don't know, some sort of galaxia or something. But I've hooked him fair and square, I'm counting that. Even though I don't know how many fish I've caught, I've lost count of that. But he goes towards the total. Alright, let's get the release. See you, mate. There he goes. Oh, bloody hell. Well, I caught a couple of fish here early, and then it's gone quiet. I've been casting around for a while. I've seen some bust-ups and cast to them, but I can't catch any of them. So I'm going to troll back in that direction and see if I can get that school up there, or whatever it is. There was some bigger fish up there. Let's hope I can find them. Oh, fish. Oh, that was a good hit. Didn't come back though. Well, I started just on the other side of that weed bed there, so I'm going to have a flick around here, see if I can find a few more before I pack the kayak back into the car and go home. Got him. Doesn't feel very big, but I've got him. Yeah, one of the smaller ones for the day, but I'm back on the board. I've come back to where I launched from and I've found this school of little ones again. I'll have a bit of fun before I pack the car up and go home. There we go, he's unhooked. Lovely little tucker, not quite as dark as some of the others. See you, bud. Off he goes. Got him. Yes, I dropped the handle, but he stayed on luckily. Bigger than the last one, probably not as big as the two keepers I've got by the feel of him. Oh, I don't know if he's bigger than the last one actually. He's not very big at all. Oh, yeah, about the same as the last one. Fun to catch. Open up, mate, let me have a look. Come on. There we go, lovely little Campaspe River redfin. You're going to get torpedoed back because I feel like playing darts. Ugh. Choom. See ya. Well, my battery went flat just as I was about to put my kayak in, and I ended up catching 2 redfin on the last 3 casts. The last cast didn't land one, and I may have had a sneaky 4th cast, but you won't get to see that footage unfortunately. Hopefully you did enjoy the footage you did get to see, and I'll see you next time.